Your business is unique, and your revenue is equal to the number of advocates you have on your sales team. Think of an advocate as a protester. But how great would it be if you had people protesting why people should buy from you versus your competition? Most companies only have a few, and they are always the top producers. So in order to win market share from your competition, you must recruit more advocates. So the way we work is, number one, we assess your top producers, and we will only show you people in alignment with your best. Number two, we interview the candidates using neuro-linguistic programming questions. Because top producers have a specific brain wiring, and we only recommend people for you that have that mindset. Number three, we use a third-party assessment to make sure they're GUMPs. Goal-oriented, unleashed of their fears, motivated to prospect, and procedural-based. Number four, we put them through our 90-day Warrior Selling Training Program. At the end of the 90 days, they will be able to recite a customized sales script that's created just for your company. We guarantee their performance, or we replace them for you for free. Contact us at fpg.com to hire your next sales warrior.